So I do have some fruit trees. So this is guava and this is soursop. So planning to go and plant all of these today. I have some fertilizer also that I'm gonna throw in the planter farm. So very heavy, but you know, we'll get it done. It's not an easy work, but you know, it was difficult. Just run some fertilizer and then, you know, wrap up the day. I wanted to burn this place because from here go way back. Was planning on planting some sweet corn, but as soon as I get the chance, clear down that tree. This is a pear tree, this is a jackfruit tree, and then we have the lime, the guava. So I'm gonna plant them along the line. You know, I wanted to get some natural fertilizer like the full manure, but those things are very difficult to get now. So you know, we just use this for the time being until the next phase. If we can get some natural things, we use them. So we just apply the fertilizer as we go. And God, these are getting a lot of rain. I did transplant them last week Tuesday. You know, them kind of look away, but I understand why. So this is the 15 by 15 by 15 fertilizer. So I'm gonna go from that end and come back down. I think that's a better way to go about this thing. Nice. So this is how you apply your fertilizer on your plantains. That. I really enjoy farming though. Like it's just, as I said in my previous video, I like one of the greatest things is to see when you plant something and you realize that it's looking so beautiful. Like I say, yeah, you just see God blessing just a shine down upon you because you never have to grow. Right, none of this never did have to happen. Everything just start work. I have the sugar cane to plant, I have the lime tree and the apple tree to plant. Yes, after that I can go home. But yeah, just need to find the spot for this one. We already have orange tree. I'm supposed to cure that orange tree by getting off all the ants off it. Maybe I can put this one right here too. I think this is deep enough. Come through. I'm gonna put some stones around it just to mark that this is the spot. So we're just planting the fruit trees, and this is the second one I'm planting. Alright. And this is a lime tree, so you know, couple months from now we can get to fresh lime. Nice. Show you guys how this is done. Let's see it there. The next one. To go. I have to try to beat the rain. Look at the sky. So we're gonna try to beat the rain today. And maybe if the rain starts, it's gonna be a vibes, you know I love the rain. Complete everything that we set out to do today. Then we head back to town.